Hi everyone, welcome back to Web2 Marketing Online Tips. Today we're diving into a new product and I've got some awesome insights to share with you today. So make sure to stick around because I've got exclusive bonuses waiting for you if you purchase through the link in the description below. So let's check this out.
Introducing AIBot Studio, the ultimate tool for creating powerful and intelligent chatbots tailored to your needs. With a user-friendly interface, you can effortlessly design and deploy bots that enhance customer engagement and streamline communication. Our platform offers a wide variety of customizable templates, allowing you to build everything from simple Q&A bots to complex, conversational AI. Equipped with advanced natural language processing, AIBot Studio ensures your bots understand and respond to user inquiries with remarkable accuracy. No coding skills? No problem. Our drag-and-drop editor makes it easy for anyone to create stunning bots in minutes. Plus, you can integrate AIBot Studio with popular messaging platforms, ensuring your bots are available wherever your users are. Regular updates and dedicated support mean you'll always have the latest features and assistance at your fingertips. Take your business to the next level with AIBot Studio and revolutionize the way you interact with your customers.
Okay, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to give this video a like, please. It helps out. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss out the next newest product. Remember those bonuses? Remember those bonuses are just a click away. Use the link below to grab them now, and I'll see you on the next video. Later. Bye.